Hi guys, in this video I'll show you planning to restore Sterling GT. That's the original Sterling GT. What I've done so far, took the bonnet off, took the light off. Anyway was all damaged, but just cleaning it up, took the wheel off, and this is the inside. I just took the dash off, interior all rusty, but the body is fiberglass, so you don't need to worry about the body. What you need to do, there is a bolt old screw to the chassis, so I done all the bolts, everything is done. That's the fuel tank on here. Then that's the first original Nova. That's the back. That's the back side. That's supposed to be engine there. Well, my plan is completely remove the body and then put it in different chassis. So I will do my second video. Let's see how it's go. So this is MR2. This is MR2. I have measured the chassis. So I'm gonna strip this MR2. This is very low mileage, 140 bhp BBT. Then put the Nova body on that. So I will get back to you with the update.